What if I told you that the government just wrote you a check for $130,000 to build your dream home right here in Guelph, but there's a ticking clock attached to it? Most people think that the $1.5 million custom home market is getting way too expensive. But for a limited time, the engineering of the deal just shifted in your favor. If you've been looking at a $700,000 teardown or even hidden lots in North Guelph or other areas, this video is your six-figure rescue plan. I'm Andrew, and for 2 decades, I've been guiding families through their home journey in Guelph, helping them navigate complex transitions with clarity and financial confidence. And today, you'll discover this unique opportunity to save a significant amount on a custom home build, an insight most agents aren't even aware of. If you're seriously considering a custom build or a strategic real estate move in Guelph, I'd love to help you put together a personalized game plan. There's a link in the description below to schedule a quick free call with me. There's no pressure, it's just honest advice. So let's dive into this critical deadline. Here's what's happening in Ontario right now. The provincial government, along with the federal government, have expanded the HST New Housing Rebate. And for the custom home price range that we're talking about in Guelph, that's between $1 million and $1.5 million, the rebate is a flat $130,000. It doesn't matter if your build comes in at $1.1 million or $1.4 million, the provincial and federal rebate is capped at $130,000. And it stays right there across that entire price band. That's a significant number. And here's the catch. This expanded rebate has a hard end date, March 31st, 2027. After that, it reverts, and the cost to build in that price range goes up accordingly. So the clock is real, and the opportunity is real. So with this incredible rebate on the table, where do you find the land to even make this happen? In Guelph, the hidden truth is that the best land often has an older house already on it. Think about those $700,000 bungalows in hidden gem pockets like Cross Creek Boulevard or St. George's Park. These are perfect candidates. Instead of trying to find a vacant lot, which is scarce and expensive, you strategically acquire one of these properties. Then you leverage my engineering project plan to quarterback the teardown and build your custom $1.3 million to $1.5 million home. In a normal market, that 13% tax would significantly eat into your budget. But now, that $130,000 credit effectively buys your high-end kitchen, your landscape, and your professional staging. You're essentially getting this land for a massive discount because of this tax holiday, turning what seems like a hurdle into a significant financial advantage. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting, because finding the right land is only half of the equation. The other half is who builds it. I work directly with a custom builder who specializes in residential custom homes and multiplex investment properties. And what makes them different isn't just the quality of their work, though they've got lots of awards to back that up. It's the way they operate. They run from a lean, transparent build system. And that means they show you the numbers. They show you the margins, their costs, their process. No hidden markups, no inflated line items. That transparency combined with their system is how they save tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on a custom build without cutting corners on quality. So if you want to harness that expertise along with this HST window, call me directly, send me an email, or book a call through the link in the description below. Let's talk about what your project could actually look like. Here's the layer that most people are missing. The March 31st, 2027 deadline is creating urgency in the land market right now, because anyone who understands this incentive knows that they need to be under contract and be moving on a project before that date hits. It's not just theory, it's basic math. The moment that this project expires, a $1.3 million custom home costs $130,000 more overnight. That means the land that you secure today and the project you start today has a built-in advantage the moment that clock runs out. You're not just buying land, you're locking in today's rebate into tomorrow's build. My team and I, with 2 decades of experience in the Guelph market, just don't sell houses. We coach clients through significant life transitions. This question-based approach allows us to uncover your true motivations, whether it's building your dream home or right-sizing for retirement, or even making a strategic investment. We offer high-tech behind-the-scenes solutions along with a high-touch, thoughtful care that a boutique consultancy would offer. We've seen firsthand how a process-driven approach can lead to a substantial financial win, like our client from Belarus last year who secured a home for $50,000 below market value through a 2-year strategic project plan. Yes, 2 years it took. This isn't about transactional luck, it's about leveraging deep local expertise and an engineering mindset from my engineering days to help ensure operational certainty of your project. We handle the technical complexities so that you can focus on the check, your investment, and your future. Real estate in Guelph is moving in ways the traditional numbers don't show. So if you're looking for an investment property that yields operational certainty and want to leverage this $130,000 incentive, you need to stop looking at the MLS listings and start looking at a strategic project plan. Whether you want to build a luxury custom home or a multi-residential fourplex, I handle the tech so that you can handle the check. Click on the link in the description below for a discovery call, and let's look at your portfolio and find the dirt that's going to build your future. I'm Andrew. Let's get to work.